We've got some new alignment options in Illustrator. If you want to find out more about those, you're in the right place. That would be the Work Smarter, Not Harder Dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. Okay, so I've got an area text object here on this particular artboard and a point text object above that. Just in case you don't know the difference, point text comes from a point and area text fills an area. You can convert between the two by double clicking this small icon out to the right hand side of any text box or point text object. If you double click like so, then it becomes an area text if it was previously a point text. And you can tell the difference between the two really easily. If it has an inflow port at the top left here and an outflow port at the bottom right, that is definitely an area text. And if I double click this one again to take it back to point text, you'll see there are no port boxes either side. So in this area text, which I have with a small inset on it, I've got some text aligned at the top of the frame. And the new option is in the area type options. So you can find that in a few places. Area type options in the type menu. You'll also find it inside of the properties panel. And if you have the control strip, you'll see it up there. And there's a quick access menu for it as well. So if I click here, I can change this to center, bottom, and justify. So center aligns the text to the center of the box. Bottom down to the bottom, and justify will spread out all of the lines to fill the box like so. And this is something that InDesign has had for quite a while, so it's really nice that that's now here in Illustrator. Just so you know, to change the fill of the box, that's where you use the direct selection tool just here. So if I just go ahead and click that, once you select that with the direct selection tool, it then becomes an object and you can change the fill as desired there like so. So it's a handy thing to know. So what's the other alignment option we've got? Well, previously, if you had a single object and you wanted to align that, you would have to go to the alignment options. If I just go down here in the properties panel and choose to align to artboard. Now, if you select a single object, it is automatically set to align to artboard, making it much quicker to work. As soon as you select more than one object, then it becomes align to selection, as you'd expect. There you go. Nice and logical, and great that that's here in Illustrator now. So there you are. Those are the two new options, the area text options from 24.3 and the single object alignment snuck in at 24.2. So we're done for now, and join me again here in the Work Smarter, Not Harder Dojo. See ya.